Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. The Prime Minister is going in for about 2 days to Kanyakumari, starting tomorrow, in the kind of quiet reflection mode that he was in the last part of the 2019 election campaign as well. At that time, he had gone to Kedarnath. Now he goes to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari. Mamata Banerjee, the Congress Party, the India Alliance has gone to the Election Commission saying, why is the Prime Minister going in for meditation? Why does the Prime Minister need to go to the Vivekananda Memorial in Kanyakumari, and why does he want to go now? And I think their problem is with the fact that the Prime Minister is going to a landmark associated with the great Hindu monk, the great Hindu leader, the great Hindu religious figure, Swami Vivekananda. Last time too, they had a problem because the Prime Minister went to Kedarnath, which is among the holiest of holy places for the Hindus. They are asking, why is the Prime Minister of India carrying cameras when he is going to meditate? Last time too, when the Prime Minister took a dip in the holy Ganges, these India Alliance partners had a huge problem. So on the eve of the last phase of voting, anti-Hinduism essentially is driving the India Alliance agenda, coupled of course with an obsession with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In 5.5 days, ladies and gentlemen, the impact of such an anti-Hindu line will be felt by this alliance. This alliance, which I think will not last 24 hours after the results are out on the 4th of June. Ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly take you through the key headlines. First, of course, the Prime Minister is spending the time before the results, last phase of voting, meditating at Kanyakumari's Vivekananda Rock Memorial this time. The Prime Minister's schedule is to reflect in solace that has made the entire India Alliance go into a tizzy, running to the Election Commission, saying that it's a violation of the poll code. In an exclusive interview with Republic on the campaign trail, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is super confident. He says that the NDA is touching down on 400 no matter what on the 4th of June. Yogi Adityanath speaks to Republic on his home turf of Gorakhpur, says that the BJP is outdoing itself in Uttar Pradesh and will record its best ever performance in India's largest state on the 4th of June. After a video of Naveen Patnaik and Pandian go viral and there are major concerns raised over Naveen Patnaik's health, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi insinuates a conspiracy behind the deteriorating health of the Odisha Chief Minister. The Prime Minister says he is going to investigate the matter. Gunda hit and run case that killed 2 this afternoon, including a 17-year-old boy, has the family claiming that it was BJP candidate and BJP leader Brijbhushan Sharan Singh's son's convoy. The FIR, however, blanks out the name of Karan Bhushan, who is the BJP candidate from Kesarganj. The nation wants to know why. The political landscape is ablaze with anticipation. Ab ki baar 400 par echoes through the corridors of power. And the BJP stands probably on the cusp of a monumental third victory. This is from all available trends. But amidst the fervor, there is controversy simmering as well. The Prime Minister's upcoming visit to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Kanyakumari has sparked off another storm. The ND has gone to the Election Commission against it. They want the Prime Minister to postpone, believe it or not, his meditation. Let's debate.
BJP is in fifth gear. The Saffron Party is riding high on confidence. Ab ki baar 400 par is reverberating in the political corridors. BJP is confident of securing a mammoth mandate on 4th of June.
गृह मंत्री अमित शाह का आज गाजीपुर में रोड शो हो रहा है और देखिए किस तरीके से अभिवादन देखने को मिल रहा है। लोग फूलों की वर्षा करते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं। गृह मंत्री जी, ये पुष्प वर्षा, ये भीड़, आपने जो टारगेट सेट किया है, कितना नजदीक की एक्साइटमेंट लोगों का दिखाता है उस टारगेट से?
देखिए, हम निश्चित रूप से 4 तारीख को 400 पार कर मोदी जी तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बने।
सर, 2014 में जब आप उत्तर प्रदेश आए थे, आपने जो समीकरण यहाँ पर बनाए, जिस तरीके से चाणक्य की भूमिका आपने रखी, यूपी की पॉलिटिक्स जिसे जातिगत इक्वेशन के लिए विपक्ष ने जानकारी बनाई थी, आपने जो सेट किया था अब तक वो सफल रहा है। इस बार अपोजिशन बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट दिख रहा है। राहुल गांधी, अखिलेश यादव लगातार दावे कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं 200 से कम भाजपा रह जाएगी। आप कहाँ देखते हैं?
हर बार वो चुनाव के पहले तक कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं और काउंटिंग के बाद ईवीएम खराब है ऐसा आरोप करते हैं। इस बार भी यही होगा।
गाजीपुर में सर हम मौजूद हैं। गाजीपुर, मऊ, ये एरिया माफियाओं के लिए, ऐसे लोगों के लिए जाना जाता रहा है। लोकतंत्र में इनका अंत कब देखते हैं आप? माफियाओं का तो अंत हो गया, क्या लगता है इस बार जो दावेदारी है कितनी मजबूत रहेगी?
हम गाजीपुर जीतने जा रहे हैं।
2024 के लोकसभा चुनाव में मोदी सरकार बनने के बाद क्या काशी मथुरा और यूसीसी की दिशा में कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है?
देखिए, मोदी जी ने जो कहा है वो करके रहेंगे। हमने अपने संकल्प पत्र में जिन बातों को जनता जनार्दन के सामने कहा है उसको 100% भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेतृत्व की मोदी जी की सरकार लागू करेगी और नागरिक संहिता उसमें से हमारी प्राथमिकता है।
80 में से 80 सीटें जीतने को लेकर के आप कितने आश्वस्त हैं? क्या 2014 और 2019 का रिकॉर्ड पार करने वाली है?
हाँ, बीजेपी 2014-2019 के रिकॉर्ड को तोड़ेगी। फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार बनेगी और 80 बनेगा आधार, अब की बार 400 पार।
The Prime Minister is set to visit the famous Vivekananda Rock Memorial in Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari from 30th of May to 1st of June. He will meditate here at the Dhyan Mandapam. India has got its knickers in a twist.
অনেকে বুদ্ধি কাজ করে, অনেকে বুদ্ধি কাজ করে না। আর আমরা বলি বলে দিয়ে রসখালি গল্পময় তোমার লড়াইয়ের বিরুদ্ধে আমরা যদি জিততে পারি তাহলে মনে রাখবেন এই লড়াইও আমাদের জিততে হবে।
It's the same story every time. When the Prime Minister took a holy dip in Ganga.
हिंदुत्ववादी गंगा में अकेला स्नान करता है। हिंदू करोड़ों लोगों के साथ गंगा में स्नान करता है।
When the Prime Minister performed the Pran Pratishtha.
January function, a completely political Narendra Modi function. It's become a RSS BJP function.
And in 2019, when he meditated in the cave of Kedarnath. The opposition has spewed hatred for the Prime Minister and Hindus alike. At just the mention of it, Prime Minister Modi's meditation has sparked India's aggression.
Okay, so what is the problem with the Prime Minister going to Kanyakumari to meditate? India Alliance is saying if the people of India see an image of the Prime Minister in meditation, then he will get more votes. This is the basic argument. Please explain the argument. Akashdeep, you want to start? The argument that Abhishek Manu Singhvi took to the Election Commission is that if the Prime Minister meditates, and if there is a picture of the Prime Minister meditating which comes out and Republic shows that picture, then BJP will get more votes. So are you saying that during this period the Prime Minister should not meditate, he should not sleep, he should not breathe? Can you unmute yourself? I want to hear your logic, whatever that is.
I hope you can hear me.
Yes, yes.
Arnavji, it is good that Honorable Prime Minister is meditating and introspecting on the magnanimous misgovernance that he did in the last 10 years and his Pitaro broken promises of doubling farmer income, bullet train, etc., etc., etc. But talking on logic, during the silence period of 48 hours, no one should be allowed to campaign. Now, Prime Minister Modi, by keeping Maun Vrat, is inviting many video cameras there, which will be resulting in indirect campaigning. As per the rules of Election Commission, MCC, it says that in the last 48 hours, there should not be any election.
Okay, one minute, just one.
Now,
just one minute. Maun Vrat is a practice. Maun Vrat is a practice which I would like Sadhvi Jayabharati to explain, then I'll come to you, Sanju. That many devout Hindus, particularly Hindus, I don't know about other religions, they, for deep meditation, deep introspection and submission to the divine, many devout Hindus do practice Maun Vrat, some collectively, some individually at different times. I don't understand how Maun Vrat is seen as campaigning.
Are you sending your cameras there?
Huh?
Are you sending your cameras there?
So if okay, so tell me one thing, Akashdeep, if Republic shows a picture of the Prime Minister meditating.
Republic does not show one picture. It shows 24 hours pictures of Modi ji.
If I show pictures of the Prime Minister meditating, then it's a crime.
No, it's not a crime. But it is breaking the silence rule. Whatever the Election Commission is requested is that if he wants to meditate, it's okay. Stop the print and electronic to.
Okay, I'll get Sadhvi first and then.
Yeah,
Akashdeep, I'm opening this up.
Bringing me on a very valid point. One thing that, I would tell that, people who are objecting to Prime Minister's Maun Vrat and meditation are the ones who need, because when you do the Maun Vrat, your brain comes to the right frequency to think correctly and you do not get entangled in random thoughts. There are everybody for last 1 month we are watching, everybody wants to know what Prime Minister is doing on the 4th, what he is doing after the campaigning. And if he tells you, they say it is they have violated the code of conduct. One thing I tell you, the people and the alliance that openly says that we will not follow the High Court orders have no moral high ground to say what is the violation of model code of conduct and what not, because when Mamata Banerjee was openly saying that I will not follow the High Court orders, they had frozen mouth. They never spoke about it.
No,
so this is no reason to take a higher moral. When you were talking, I did not say, let me complete. One thing. And I want to make quick 3 points here and then you can do your debate. One thing, it's very evident, everybody who's objecting to PM Modi going to Kanyakumari and doing meditation, they have no idea, not an iota of idea what Kanyakumari stands for in the Hindu legend. It was not just because that stone, that Vivekanand rock is not merely significant and important because Swami Vivekananda meditated there. It was that Devi Kanyakumari meditated for Lord Shiva and attained him. and you people might not have an idea, and you claim yourself to be. Listen, Kasar, Machuk, no, don't laugh at it. Don't laugh at your own ignorance. That's how, because if you can't answer something, you laugh and you smirk, and that's how you do.
It is about law.
Listen,
it is not about religion.
And they play into PM Modi's campaign. PM Modi might not have wanted to, blow this meditation out of proportion, but they objecting to it gives it such a fiery flair that now everybody is talking about.
The ways you are so scared of Narendra Modi, the way I look at it is, and I want to bring in Sanju and Abdul Razak and 2 versus 2 for the rest. You are so scared of Narendra Modi that even when Narendra Modi does Maun Vrat, you are scared. Not when he is speaking. You are scared even if he is not speaking. Sanju is on the debate. This is a very crazy situation.
The rules cannot be changed for Modi ji. The rules should be the same to everyone.
So who is stopping you? Razak, 1 minute, Razak and Sanju. Razak says the rules should be the same for everyone. My answer to that is, please tell Rahul Baba to do Maun Vrat for some time. We have heard enough rubbish for the last 2 months.
In every circle, we have former leaders of different various parties. We cover them with clothes. We cover all the statues with clothes. We have seen Rajiv Gandhi's statue being covered with clothes. We have seen Rajshekar Reddy's statue being covered with clothes, because it will influence the voter. That is the reason there is called something like.
So if Prime Minister goes to Kanyakumari, he will influence the voter.
So we are saying when the voting is still on.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you one thing. I have a feeling that at least 5% people who are not voting for BJP in the last phase will vote after listening to you.
Thank you.
Sanju is on the debate. The crazy situation tonight.
Not like that. The rule of the land should be followed by everyone. It will influence the voter. Let him not take camera so long. He is going to meditate. Let him meditate.
Okay, Razak, 1 minute. Razak, it's Sanju's turn, please. It's Sanju's turn. I'm getting into the Motorola moment in a minute. Sanju's turn. Send in your tweets.
Thank you. Yeah. Arnab, first and foremost, let me be very clear that the Prime Minister has chosen Vivekananda Rock Memorial because this has various connotations and very significant ones at that. It was here that in 1970, Swami Vivekananda, attained enlightenment, and the fact that Swami Vivekananda has been quoted profusely and prolifically by the Prime Minister on umpteen occasions in the last 10 years is known to everyone, his followers and his detractors, what have you. But the more important thing is this, that, the Prime Minister, despite being secular to the T to the S, he has never hesitated, he's never been reluctant to wear his Hindu credentials proudly on his sleeve, and he's sending a very large message to the likes of Mamta Banerjee, who just a week back, she demonized and undermined the credibility of ISKCON set up way back in 1966. She undermined the credibility of Ramakrishna Mission set up way back in 1897 and founded by Swami Vivekananda, no less. So Mamta Banerjee and her entire cabal, if you're listening to this debate, if you're watching Arnab Goswami's show, you need to know that if you can engage in brazen Muslim appeasement, then you should also realize that there is no harm in the Prime Minister, the first citizen of the country, talking about Hindu civilization, talking about Indian cultural ethos, and what better place than Vivekananda Rock Memorial, because this is the place.
Arnab, please understand, Sanju, you are not correct about Mamta. Mamta has not said anything against the institutions. Mamta has only said against a politician masquerading as a monk.
Talking, you allow them a free run. Let this man complete, then I will speak.
No,
because I will not heckle him. You can allow this man a free run.
Niladri.
Yes, sir.
Mamta Banerjee has said that this is a violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Okay?
Can I finish?
Yes.
She said that?
Yes.
She said
yes, I agree with you. I agree with you.
Now tell me one thing. Where in the Model Code of Conduct is it said that you can't do anything in this period? You can't campaign, you can't hold a rally. But are you saying you can't do prayers? But no, I believe, Niladri, your problem is with Hinduism. That's why you questioned the Prime Minister's presence in the Pran Pratishtha. That's why Rahul Gandhi, your leader, mocked the Prime Minister for doing puja. That's why Congress leader Shashi Tharoor attacked Yogi Adityanath for taking a dip in the Ganga. That is why Ashok Gehlot said that today he is sitting in a cave wearing Bhagwa. God knows what message he is trying to deliver when he went to Kedarnath last time.
May I please?
Sanju, I'll tell you one thing. Just one thing to Niladri, Akashdeep and Razak. On the 4th of June, when the results come, ask yourself whether Hindus have got fed up with this position of yours. Just
can I make my
you will know.
That will wait for Arnab. But coming back to your question, please understand. Narendra Modi is the PM of 120 billion Indians. Indians consist of Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs. So therefore, India being a secular country, it doesn't suit the Prime Minister of the country, the Prime Minister of India, consisting of all Indians. It doesn't suit him.
So, do you want him to go to St. Paul's Cathedral? Do you want the Prime Minister to go to Jama Masjid?
Any religion forward.
Do you want the Prime Minister to go? Where do you want the Prime Minister to go?
No, secular.
And Vivekananda Vivekananda was a staunch nationalist and a Hindu icon.
He was a nationalist, but he was not the Prime Minister of a democratic secular country like India.
All religions.
Okay, so viewers, according to India Alliance, none of you must go to Vivekananda Rock Memorial unless you are a completely communal person. Only communal people should go to Vivekananda Rock Memorial.
Coming of 4th of July, the Prime Minister needs to introspect as to what is to be done after when he is voted out of power.
In fact, Eknath Ji Ranade was an RSS worker. He was instrumental in making the Vivekananda Rock Memorial.
Arnab, it is not about Vivekananda Rock Memorial.
It is.
What it is about, let me tell you what it is.
It is. Your problem with the Kanyakumari is because it is the same place where Vivekananda meditated in 1892.
This is about
the time to India during the election. When the election process is on.
The Election Commission said that there should,
I think you're getting very
period of 48 hours, there should be a total.
I don't know what kind of a debate is this when the BJP is not given time to speak.
Akashdeep,
you give a free run to these guys every single day for no reason.
I'd say this, that Akashdeep, 1 minute. Akashdeep, even people who may not have been interested in the Prime Minister's personal visit to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial will now be watching it. And in today's day and age, how can you block coverage of the Prime Minister's visit to Kanyakumari? Sanju.
Thank you. Now please, allow me 30 seconds before you get the other guys in. Vivekananda Rock Memorial also has significance because this is the one place where the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea meet and the eastern and western coastlines meet. Apart from the fact that Swami Vivekananda, after his Indian tour, meditated here for 3 long days and envisioned the concept of Vikasit Bharat or developed India, which is what Prime Minister Modi is trying to bring to fruition. But more importantly, beyond the semantics and beyond the optics, I think let's be very clear. Somebody here said, oh, Narendra Modi has nothing to show by way of governance. That is why he's engaging in these kind of photo ops. And I think it was Akashdeep Muni of the Aam Aadmi Party. He's an AAP sympathizer. These guys should ask themselves, I don't recall another instance in post-independent India's history where a person who was serving prison term in Tihar jail is out on interim bail, not because of merits of the case, but simply because there's a general election underway and the Supreme Court, with no offense to it, made an exception for Kejriwal. No, I cannot heckle you. You have the benefit of butting it.
A serious case of contempt that is happening. Are you questioning the judiciary of the country?
If you are considering
create a level playing field for the election,
a very sad thing for the country.
Is going to go back to
the judiciary is wrong by giving interim bail to Mr. Kejriwal.
Manish Sisodia is in jail. Satendra Jain is in jail.
Yes, Supreme Court has not given them bail. Supreme Court has given bail to Arvind Kejriwal.
I believe the judiciary.
थोड़ी शर्म आनी चाहिए आपको.
Are you suspecting the intelligence of
No, viewers, I think it's time to take a call. And wherever you're watching this, in Kanyakumari or Chandigarh, or Guwahati or anywhere else, I am asking for a moment of introspection from all the people of this country. viewers, today the India Alliance says that it is communal for the Prime Minister to go to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial. And obviously they are doing so because Vivekananda is a very revered Hindu religious figure. They would not say this against anyone, but they will always say it. And it's because the Prime Minister is openly saying, I'm a Hindu, I will go to the Vivekananda Rock Memorial to meditate.
अभी यदि प्रधानमंत्री मस्जिद जाते तब आपको कोई आपत्ति नहीं होती। यदि प्रधानमंत्री कहते कि मैं कोई दरगाह
You are going there to meditate. Go and meditate. Why do you need a camera?
Let him go everywhere.
Why do you need a camera alone?
आपत्ति नहीं होती।
We have seen
You guys are Hindu-phobic bigots. You say that the Prime Minister is Islamophobic, but that is not the case. This is the same Prime Minister who visited the Grand Istiqlal Mosque in Indonesia in 2016. This is the same Prime Minister who on umpteen occasions has paid obeisance at Ajmer Dargah by giving a chadar.
Madam,
this is the same Prime
code of
Minister
conduct is in place. How can you take a camera along?
The Al-Hakim Mosque in Egypt was
Why do you need a camera when you want
Do
to
you know the
meditate?
Al-Hakim Mosque in
You do
Egypt
it.
was
It is your
renovated under
faith,
the
your
aegis of the
worship.
Bohra community and funded by the Narendra Modi government? This is the same Prime Minister who does not hesitate to wear his Hindutva on his sleeves but also pays obeisance to Guru Tegh Bahadur from the ramparts of the Red Fort. तो यहाँ बैठकर आप नरेंद्र मोदी को सेक्युलरिज्म का पाठ
We
मत
saw Modi ji in 2019 wearing saffron, sitting at Kedarnath, praying and meditating at Kedarnath. We have seen Modi ji in orange, front view, side view, zoom in, zoom out. Do you need all this when you are meditating and praying?
Ram Navami is a day of Dangabazi for
influencing the
Hindus.
voter on the
This
model
is
code of
what a
conduct is in
Hindu-phobic
place.
Mamata Banerjee said barely 2 months back. And your Rahul Gandhi, he said that Prabhu Ram तो काल्पनिक है. Ram was a figment of BJP's wild imagination. This is the affidavit given by the Congress in India's Supreme Court.
BJP people follow the rules,
For the longest time said.
Okay, one minute. I think there's another angle to this. I think there's another angle to this. Razak, volume down, please. Don't disturb me. The other angle to this is, I was thinking, Subrashta, is that they keep saying that, you know, we have seen the Prime Minister in Kedarnath. See how irritated they get? Prime Minister, we have seen the Prime Minister in Varanasi. They get irritated whenever they are seeing the Prime Minister. Tell openly that the whole world, I am a very practicing and proud Hindu. I am a proud Hindu. I am proud of my Hindu civilizational heritage. They want the Prime Minister of India to be a Hindu in hiding, not a proud Hindu. They want him to be a Hindu in hiding. That is their basic problem with the Prime Minister, and that is the reason they are angry with him going to Vivekananda Rock Memorial. That is the essential issue. Subrashta, what's going to be the impact of this in your view?
I think the impact of this would be, Arnab, that all those fence sitters who were a little, dilly-dallying in their minds about voting for the Prime Minister would ultimately end up voting for him. Because the India Alliance, being bereft of any national issue of consequence, has cherry-picked issues that has no significance at all amongst the general electorate. Now, please make me understand, Arnab, does it matter to anyone if Mamata Banerjee, recites a shlok in one of her sabhas or reads kalma in one of her sabhas? It's none of our business. But if the BJP wants to make that an issue, then of course it will become an election issue, right? So Pradhan Mantri going for a Maun Vrat and going to meditate, I have no idea how it became a political issue for the opposition and why should it be. I was reading the Model Code of Conduct quite, threadbare, and I realized there is not even one clause that he is violating.
Yeah,
which clause is Mamata Banerjee talking about?
You're wrong.
Which clause? Tell me the clause. I have the entire Model Code in front of me. Tell me point number 1.
It violates.
No,
Madam,
a voter can be influenced.
Madam, it can influence the voter.
How?
That is the reason why we
Please
cover all the party
How?
symbols,
Please see the
all the
clause.
party leaders.
I'm sorry to tell you,
cover
I'm sorry
everything
to
that
break
can
this to
influence
you.
the voter.
Nobody broke this to you
Even
in
the name
Bengal.
board.
You are saying,
Swami Vivekananda comes from that state,
We
but
cover
let me
the
tell you, you are
name boards with
completely
plastics and
uneducated about who he
tapes.
was. Swami Vivekananda
see
is
the
not
clause.
God.
It is very says
Swami
that
Vivekananda is not a religious
okay, I let me apply very common logic to this. Razak says today.
When Swami Vivekananda represented
Yeah.
India at Chicago,
No,
Swami Vivekananda
Razak
was
says
asked
today.
to
Yes.
Why
He
is
respected
Razak
all
says
religions.
today-
Will Modi ji respect all religions?
Razak says today, so Sanju and can be back with Subrashta. Razak says today that if Republic or any channel,
don't need lessons in secularism from the
if
TMC.
any media carries pictures of the Prime Minister in Kanyakumari, then the voter will be influenced. Now,
How?
my counter to
I
that
don't
is, my
understand
counter to
how
that
that
is
is a
weird and
Subrashta.
insane
They
logic.
say,
In the name of
they
religion.
say that the people of India are angry with Modi. That by their logic, the more the people of India see Narendra Modi, the less they should vote for him. Unless you believe the people of India love Narendra Modi, so the more they see of Narendra Modi, the more they will vote for him.
And the angrier they should get, right?
So,
By
Let
their
them
logic,
respect model
people should
code
be
of
giving
conduct.
it
Let
way.
them not violate the model
you guys
code
are
of
freaking
conduct.
out. You guys are freaking out. You guys are losing it. You're losing the election like this. You're losing your grip over the narrative.
No. I personally feel like a weak.
But even Yogendra Yadav, but listen to me now. Listen to me now. Listen to me. Listen to me. Everyone on. Even listen to me. Even Dhruv Rathi and Ravish Kumar can't help you now. Even Dhruv Rathi and Ravish Kumar can't help you now. You're in serious trouble, dude.
I will be with you, Arnab. On 4th, I will be with you. Arnab, you will
Excuse
see
me.
me on 4th.
Prime Minister goes to Kanyakumari, is violating the model code of conduct.
प्रधानमंत्री यदि विवेकानंद रॉक मेमोरियल में जाकर
Rahul Baba can go to Italy, it's okay. How much time?
I am angered by the objection that there is to everything any voter that will be influenced is
I personally feel Modi ji is going to make special prayers.
But not at the time of election.
They do not know that they can just get in the trap that is related to them and they just go back
people
out.
like Jairam Ramesh with zero credibility have been writing on Twitter. Then you should not be scared if Prime Minister Modi is going for a 45-hour meditation at Vivekananda Rock Memorial. क्योंकि आप तो कहते हो कि इस बार तो तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार बनेगी नहीं. यदि बनेगी नहीं तो आपको इतना दर्द लग रहा है. शांत हो जाइए. That means you can see the writing on the wall. 4 जून को तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार.
अरे मोदी जी को तो भगवान ने भेजा है. Why should he meditate first of all?
इतना बड़ा इवेंट बना दिया ये
Sanju.
Modi ji has been specially sent by God.
Says that Ram does not exist. Rahul Gandhi is secular. If Mamata Banerjee says Ram Navami पर दंगा होता है, Mamata Banerjee is secular. If Kapil Sibal says that Ram Mandir should never have been built, Kapil Sibal is secular.
उनको कुछ
If Akhilesh Yadav blatantly violates every dictum of Hindu philosophy by making fun of Prabhu Ram and Prabhu Krishna, Akhilesh Yadav is secular. But Narendra Modi यदि meditation करते हैं, तो आप कहते हो कि ये communal है.
India is secular.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Logic is that.
Ladies and gentlemen, of course we will cover the Prime Minister going to Kanyakumari and everybody will. There is no rule which says that somebody's pictures cannot be carried anywhere. We'll carry pictures of Rahul Gandhi also if he wants, but only that may have the opposite effect. We'll carry pictures of Kejriwal. Do you think I will not cover Kejriwal going back to jail? Akashdeep?
No, obviously you will cover Kejriwal going to back to jail, but you will not cover what he's saying.
In Punjab, by the way, have you heard of Flashgate? Have you heard of a senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party who has sexually harassed a 21-year-old woman, a 61-year-old man?
Defending that rather than putting objections from meditation. That's bias and
Yeah.
In January, now listen to me, please, for 30 seconds. In January, Election Commission wrote to the Law Ministry that during
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have to close this.